Imagine you're sitting on a commercial airliner, traveling at 500 miles per hour, traveling at 500 miles per hour. Now imagine the airplane instantly stops. Not slows down, not lands, stops. You already know what happens next, but not momentum. Everything inside keeps moving, tracing the paths of pure energy. The passengers, the food carts, everything. Now scale that idea up to an entire planet. Right now, Earth is carrying you eastward at roughly 1,000 miles per hour near the equator. You don't feel that motion because everything around you is moving with you. The ground, the buildings, the oceans, even the atmosphere. But what if Earth suddenly stopped rotating for just 1 second? Would humanity survive? Or would a single second be enough to reshape civilization? The answer begins with one of the most important ideas in physics: inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to keep doing what it is already doing. It only changes when a force acts upon it. That sounds simple, but in this scenario, it becomes terrifying. Because when Earth stops, the ground stops. You do not. Neither does the atmosphere. Neither do the oceans. For one brief second, the planet and everything on it disagree about how fast they should be moving. And here's the strange part. Flying debris would not be the biggest problem. The atmosphere would be. An active participant in shaping our climate. For a fraction of a second, the air above Earth continues moving at nearly 1,000 miles per hour. That difference creates something far worse than a hurricane. The strongest hurricanes produce winds around 150 miles per hour. This would be several times stronger. A global wall of supersonic wind would sweep eastward across the planet. Entire cities would face forces they were never designed to withstand.
But even that is only the beginning. Because the atmosphere isn't the only thing that keeps moving. Now consider the oceans. Every drop of seawater carries Earth's rotational momentum. At first glance, water seems less dangerous than the atmosphere. But when the crust stops, the oceans keep going. Imagine every ocean trying to continue eastward, while the continents slam on the brakes.
The result would be colossal tsunamis racing across coastlines worldwide.
And yet something even more surprising happens beneath our feet.
Earth's surface is not the only thing rotating.
Deep below us lies a vast ocean of liquid iron inside the outer core. If the outer layers stop, enormous stresses ripple through Earth's interior. Scientists cannot predict every consequence, but tectonic systems would face tremendous strain. But here's the strangest part. Earth doesn't stay stopped. After 1 second, Earth starts rotating again. Everything that survived faces a second global whiplash.
What makes this thought experiment so unsettling is that nothing supernatural happens. No alien weapon, no black hole, no exotic physics. Just inertia.
The same law that spills coffee when a car brakes too hard. The same law that keeps a spacecraft moving through deep space.
The same law quietly governs every moving object in the universe. Earth feels stable because its motion is stable. The thing making our world feel still is the fact that it never stops moving. If you enjoyed exploring the hidden physics behind everyday reality, subscribe.